Welcome to Discover World.
What is broccoli? Health benefits of broccoli. Broccoli is an edible green plant in the cabbage family whose large flowering head is eaten as a vegetable. The word broccoli comes from the Italian plural of broccolo, which means the flowering crest of a cabbage, and is the diminutive form of brocco, meaning small nail or sprout. Health benefits of broccoli. One contains potent antioxidants that offer health protective effects. 2 packed with vitamins, minerals and bioactive compounds. The third of may protect against certain types of cancer. 4 antioxidants and fiber may aid blood sugar control. 5 vitamin C supports a healthy immune system. 6 dental and oral health. 7 support a healthy pregnancy. 8 protect our skin from sun damage. 9 mental decline and support healthy brain function. Nutrition facts: broccoli. Amount per 100 grams. Calories 34% daily value. Total fat 0.4 grams 0%. Saturated fat 0 grams 0%. Polyunsaturated fat 0 grams. Monounsaturated fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams 0%. Sodium 33 milligrams 1%. Potassium 316 milligrams 9%. Total carbohydrate 7 grams 2%. Dietary fiber 2.6 grams 10%. Sugar 1.7 grams. Protein 2.8 grams 5%. Vitamin A 12%, vitamin C 148%. Calcium 4%, iron 3%. Vitamin D 0%, vitamin B6 10%. Cobalamin 0%, magnesium 5%. Thanks for watching my video and stay connected with me. Please subscribe my channel for more video.